Hello friends and welcome back. In our continuous series of discussing top global threats, today's topic for discussion is pass the hash. So, without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. The infamous breach of over 40 million target customer accounts was successful partly due to the well-known attack technique called pass the hash, PTH. The hackers used PTH to gain access to an anti-hash token that would allow them to log into the Active Directory administrator's account without the plain text password, thereby giving them the necessary privileges to create a new domain admin account, later adding it to the domain admins group. This route in the system gave them the opportunity to steal personal information and payment card details from target's customers. What you need to know: pass the hash allows an attacker to authenticate a user's password with the underlying NTLM or landman hash instead of the associated plaintext password. Once the hacker has a valid username along with their password's hash values, they can get into the user's account without issue and perform actions on local or remote systems. Essentially, hashes replace the original passwords that they were generated. How the attack happens: on systems using NTLM authentication, a user's password or passphrase is never submitted in clear text. Instead, it's sent as a hash in response to a challenge response authentication scheme. When this happens, valid password hashes for the account being used are captured using a credential access technique. Where the attack comes from: this type of attack is more sophisticated than other methods and is usually executed by threat groups. These perpetrators are often organized, with their sights set on a specific organization or person, and with a mind to political or financial gain. So that is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. Please share it with your friends and subscribe for more such amazing content. Don't forget to check out similar interesting videos on my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.